Okay, now we're going to get into some polynomials. So, whenever you have something in front of parentheses, that means distribute that to every term. So nothing in front of here, so we just have x squared minus 6x plus 3. Here I distribute the negative, so it's negative 3x squared. Minus a minus is plus 6x minus 4. So I took the opposite every term. Then I can only combine the terms with the same power. So x squared minus 3x squared would be minus 2x squared. You always write the biggest power term first. Minus 6x plus 6x is 0. 3 minus 4 would be minus 1. So this problem, notice it's a plus. So you just combine terms with the same power. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared. 5x minus 3x would be plus 2x. And minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Now, we all remember that whenever you have parentheses right next to each other, nothing in between, that means distribute or FOIL. So we would go x times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. 3x. And 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. So that would be x squared minus 9. Now this x times negative x would be negative x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 6 times minus x is minus 6x. 2x minus 6x would be minus 4x. And 6 times 2 is 12. Oh no! Whenever I have a square on a binomial, I write it twice to make it nice. So it'd be 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, FOILed out. 2x and 2x is 4x squared, 6x and 6x is 12x, 3 and 3 is 9. Now this one, whenever you have a binomial times a trinomial, you just have to distribute every term of this one to every term of this one. So 2x times x squared would be 2x cubed. 2 times 1 is 2. 2x times 5x is 10x squared. And 2x times 3 is 6x. Now distribute the 5x squared. Put under the term with the same power. 5 times 5x is 25x. And 5 times 3 is 15. So I'd have 2x cubed plus 15x squared plus 31x plus 15. Okay, now factoring. We're going to go in reverse. This is put it together. This is take it apart. Remember, the first step of factoring is factor out the GCF. X is common to both terms, so we factor it out. Next one, we have two terms that's a binomial, two terms binomial. So we look for difference of squares. Do I have a square term minus a square? And I do. X plus 3. X minus 3. Next term, I have a trinomial. So you look at the last term. This is plus, so what are the factors of 10 that add up to 7? It'd be x plus 5, because this term's plus, x plus 2. Last term minus, so what do you multiply to get 15, but subtract to get 2? And that would be x and 5, x and 3. Largest factor goes with this sign. Now, first step, factor out GCF, always. So I'm going to factor out a 2. So it'd be x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then the factors of 1 that add up to 2 would be x plus 1, x plus 1. Same thing multiplied together, so I write it as a square. So here, factor out GCF, which is 3. The factors is 7 that add up to 8. Would be x plus 7, x plus 1. Hey, another video done. We are cranking. See you in a minute.